In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supermetrics to Looker Studio. This can be an invaluable process for those of us working with data, enabling seamless integration of your data sources with visualization tools. Now, let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Supermetrics hub using your preferred Google account or the account associated with Supermetrics. If you haven't already cleared this step, make sure to use the account you intend to link with Looker Studio. It's important to ensure proper permissions and seamless connection between your accounts. Once you're signed into the Supermetrics hub, you'll find yourself in a dashboard bustling with data opportunities. Navigate to the section labeled Data Sources. You might also see a Connect to New Data Source option. Here is where the magic begins. Identify the data source you need to connect. Whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, or another marketing platform, select the option that meets your requirements and hit Connect. At this stage, you'll be prompted to authorize access. This involves logging into the respective platform account, like your Facebook ads account, and granting Supermetrics the necessary permissions to access your data. This is a crucial step. Without it, Supermetrics can't extract and use your data. After authorization, you will see an option to define the type of connection: shared or private. A shared connection allows team members to access it, ideal for collaborative projects. A private connection keeps it available solely for your own personal use. Choose the option that fits your needs. Now you're ready to shift gears and move over to Looker Studio. Within Looker Studio, initiate the creation of a new data source by clicking on Create, followed by Data Source. This will open up the connector gallery, a rich collection of connectors waiting for your decision. Here, you'll need to search for the Supermetrics connector that corresponds to your data source. It's worth looking for something like Facebook ads by Supermetrics, if that's what you're aiming to work with. Upon finding the correct connector, click Authorize if prompted. This step might also involve selecting a team, should your connection type require it. Next, you'll want to refine which accounts and datasets to include. Take the time to ensure you have selected the correct accounts and fields you wish to connect. Once everything is set up to your liking, tap Connect. Following that confirmation, you will either create a new report or add the data to an existing report. This marks the final step in integrating Supermetrics with Looker Studio, enabling you to visualize and analyze your data with efficiency and ease. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect Supermetrics to Looker Studio, empowering your data handling with powerful insights and beautiful data visualizations.